Hey guys, in this video I have discovered the easiest way to get Xbox Game Pass for free. Not only that, but this method will allow you to make the easiest money you have ever made in your life, so you will be able to get Xbox Game Pass forever for free, plus anything else as well that you want. Thousands of people are doing this method right now to make free money literally instantly with their phone, so if you don't take advantage of this, you will be missing out greatly. I did this method myself and in the beginning started with only $10 and was able to make $8,000 within 15 minutes. That's why I recommend you guys follow all my steps because this is so easy. Now let me explain how this works. So what you guys all have to do is go to motionpio.com. On this site, you will be able to join the Telegram chat where you will be able to make money right away. But you can see people are printing from this method. It's so easy to do, which is why so many cashing out like crazy right now. Anyways, once you go to motionpio.com, you will be able to join the group, and it will take you to a Telegram that looks like this. Just join it. So the way it works is you message MotionPIO in the group, and all you do is send him $100 to $200 in Bitcoin, and within 10 to 15 minutes, he will get a debit card that he cashes out and sends you your cut. I did it myself and thought it was a scam, but it actually worked, which is the crazy part. You can only work with him twice, by the way. After that, you can't anymore. But you can easily make over $15,000 profit by doing it with them. It may sound unbelievable, but that's the power of cashing out with debit cards. And you can even see that people on Reddit are talking about this as well, like this guy here who made $10,000 from it. So guys, take advantage of this. I'm telling you, everyone is printing off this new sauce on Telegram. Go to motionpio.com right now and get started. Trust me. I've tried YouTube automation, dropshipping, TikTok shop affiliate, day trading, pretty much every method online. But this is the only one that worked for me and gave me huge capital to invest into other businesses. But in your case, you may want the money to buy anything you want so you can do whatever you want with it. So if you guys are interested, get started now. What are you waiting for? Easiest way to make some fast money online right now, so hurry up.